welcome back to my YouTube channel. Joy here again, and today we're going to be reviewing some curly hair products. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair after a wash and go using the Marc products, and these were sent to me by LuxepiBeauty. They wanted me to review these products for you guys and let you know what I think about them. So stay tuned if you want to see my routine on styling and what I think about these products. Okay guys, so this is my hair after I wash it. Pretty much all I did was just put the conditioner that I used. Just so you guys know, I did not wash my hair completely. I just co-washed. I don't feel like my hair was due for a complete wash. As you guys seen my other I want to say my other wash and go videos, you guys seen that I don't really wash my hair completely. Like, and when I say that, I mean with shampoo and conditioner. I may use a mask, or I may use just a conditioner, or for example, in one video I did use like a spray, a detox spray. So there's different things that I like to use. Our focus today is going to be the Marc products. So our focus today is going to be styling. So styling after a wash and go. Now, a couple of things that you guys should know about me when it comes to wash and goes, or when it comes to my curly hair, is that I do not do anything extra, as in like 2-strand twists, bantu knots. I don't do any of that stuff. One, because I'm super lazy. So I'm very, very lazy. And the other thing is, it's just, I don't like how it comes out. Now, it could be that I'm probably doing it wrong. I think I'm doing it wrong. That's what it could be, because I watch all these videos and the curls come out gorgeous, but I'm just not that girl. I'm a wash and go girl. I'm a wash and go girl. I wash my hair, let it air dry a little, and then put my products, and I go. And I let it get big and fluffy throughout the day. So that's just the way that my routine is. Now, I've been using this for about a month now in my routine, and this is the 3-Minute Miracle Moist from Aussie, and this is their deep conditioner. This one has avocado and jojoba oil. So this is it right here. I got this at Target for like $3. My sister had told me about it, which is the reason why I went ahead and got it. Now, when it comes to deep conditioners, I'm more of a mask girl, so I like the hair mayo. I know you guys have seen me talk about that before. I do love the bentonite clay as well. That was amazing. I like things like that really detox. But this right here is really nice, because this right here just really helps with detangling. It helps with co-washing. It's just everything. It's a 3-in-1 to me. So it's a co-washer, it's a deep conditioner. It smells really nice and rich. It leaves your hair with a lot of moisture. So this is what my hair looks like without any product in it. I will be spraying my hair down because I do want to put the products in it. I did wash my hair last night, so whenever I do my wash and goes, I prep my hair the night before. So I wash my hair the night before, I let it air dry, I put my products in it, and then I put a satin bonnet. But I did not do that last night because I wanted to record this part of the video, and right now I have some time to record this part of the video for you guys. So remember, the focus is going to be styling with these two products, which I'm gonna get into in a second. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna grab my Carol's Daughter. This is the Sacred Tear anti-breakage, anti-frizz leave-in conditioner. So I do have a little bit of conditioner in my hair already, which is the Aussie one. And like I said, I did use the Aussie to wash my hair, to co-wash my hair. I did finger detangle. I did not use my I did not use my comb, my Y2 comb, or my paddle brush. I just finger detangled because my hair was not that tangled. So just wetting up the hair a little bit with this. And I do love this because I love the smell of it. I love how it leaves my hair looking. Sometimes when I do my little routines at night, I just spray this in my hair, and then I put my satin bonnet on, and then I just deal with my hair in the morning. But a lot of times I just put my product in my hair and go to bed, because I just don't want to deal with that in the morning, to be honest with you. And I don't really have much time to deal with my hair as much. Like I said, I am lazy, so we're just moisturizing the hair. spraying it all over. If you feel more comfortable dividing your hair into sections, you can do that. Like I said, I'm lazy, so we're not doing that in this video. I did do that in one of my other videos because I was really trying the products out, but yeah. It's nice and it's not like drenched wet, but it has, you know, enough water in it to sustain the styling product. So we're gonna be using the Strictly Curls Curl Perfect 7-in-1 leave-in treatment foam. So this is it right here. This is from Marc Anthony, and it is good for defrizz, for defining, for moisture, for detangling, for smooth and soft and shiny curls. So that's what this is perfect for. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. I'm gonna start with this little, and it smells really good, guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and scrunch it up all in there. And what I like about this mousse, just feeling the texture of it, is that it does not feel heavy at all. It does not feel heavy on my hand, and you could already, I'm not exaggerating, but you guys can already see the difference between this side and this side. Like, obviously this side looks a lot more shinier. This right here is the spot where I get the most driest. So make sure I focus on there, scrunch it up all into the roots. And while I'm doing that, I'm running my fingers through my curls. So you do want to make sure that your curls are very moisturized, and you want to also make sure that your curls are nice and detangled. So at the ends, you just want to scrunch it up a little bit. I think this is good enough. So now we're gonna do this side. So you guys see the difference between this side and this side. This side is obviously more controlled. And of course, my hair is gonna get bigger as the day goes by, but we just really wanna see that frizz is still there. So after I'm done evenly distributing the product, and like I said, if you feel more comfortable with dividing your hair, you can go ahead and do that. You know, I know that sometimes you may not get the product evenly distributed. You can go ahead and do it, but you guys can kind of see a difference on my hair. I feel like this would be also perfect if you have a human hair wig that is curly, like this texture. This would be the perfect foam for it, because I'm telling you guys right now, my hand does not feel sticky or anything like that. It really feels really, really good. Really good. And I can tell that this is going to be the type of mousse that if you like big hair like myself, this mousse is going to prevent it from frizzing up, but it's not going to have like that control or that hold where it just looks wet the entire day, which is what I don't really like. So the next product that we're going to use is the Strictly Curled 3x Moisture Oil and Cream and Butter Curl Control Styling Jelly. So this is it right here. And let me tell you right off the bat, it says long lasting definition, flexible holds. So just so you know, like right off the bat, products like this are super dope, because of course you have curly, you know, you have gels that are very nice hold and they moisturize and stuff like that, but a lot of them leave residue. They're not really meant for wash and goes. They're more meant for styling, like if you want to slit your hair back or if you really want that wet and wavy look. This one right here is moisture. So I'm already loving the fact that this is more of a cream gel, a creamy gel, I want to say. So we're gonna just go ahead and take some out, and this is what it looks like. It kind of looks, it looks like a gel, but it's not transparent like a gel. Like it kind of has a creamy look to it, and it smells so good, so good. So I'm just gonna run that through my hair and scrunch it up. Run it through my hair and scrunch it up. And like I said, everybody's different. So if you guys want to do two-strand twist with these products, I think that would be perfect for it because they really sustain a lot of moisture. These products are meant for that girl who wants moisture and wants, you know, nice shiny curls. So if you want to use that, you can do that, but like I said, that is just not my method of actually styling my hair because it just doesn't work for me. I tried it the other day and it looked, I'm telling you right now, it looked like I was about to lock my hair. My hair was so tangled. It was just not it. It just wasn't it. This smells so good. Oh my God. So it has shea in it, and it has shea butter, and it has coconut in it. So that's what that smell is, and I love the smell of coconut. Especially in the summertime, this right here is the perfect product for the summer and the winter time. I feel like my hair gets drier in the summer for some reason. For some people, their curls get drier in the winter time, so this would be the perfect combo. I think it's the perfect combo for all year around, depending on how your hair is acting, but I think it's awesome. So let me just give you guys a 360 look. So this is the front of my hair. This is the back of my hair. And this is the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go do my makeup, and I'm going to let this air dry, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and I'm gonna show you how big my hair got. This is where honestly I want the frizz control to actually work, up here, because it gets very, very dry up here for some reason. So just make sure I put enough and we're good to go. Now I can go ahead and put a satin bonnet on while I do my makeup and just let it sit and then take it out, or I could just go ahead and let it air dry. I might just let it air dry because I feel like when it air dries a lot faster. One thing, I know I get this question a lot. Some people ask me if I use a diffuser. I do not use a diffuser. I feel like me air drying my hair is just fine, but I have heard that diffusers are pretty good. So if you want to incorporate your diffuser into this routine that I'm showing you guys, which is super easy, you can go ahead and do it. I just don't have the patience to stand there and watch my hair air dry with a diffuser. I just don't have the patience. Like, my patience with my hair is very, very slim, just so you know. So no diffusers over here, but you can go ahead and use it if you want to. So just remember guys, I just use 4 simple products. I use the Aussie 3-in-1 deep conditioner. I use the leave-in conditioner from Carol's Daughter, which is the spray one. And of course, our star of the show is this. This is what we want to see how it works. All right, so I'll be back with you guys to give you an update on how my curls look. Okay, so I'm back to tell you guys how I feel about these products and just to show you the end result. So of course you've seen it in the beginning of the video, what my hair was gonna look like and all of that, but let me actually tell you guys how I feel about the product. So first of all, I really, really love how shiny it left my hair looking. So one thing that I will tell you is that you could use either one of the products alone. You don't have to use them together. So say if you already have a gel, you can just go ahead and incorporate the mousse into your routine. I did not have a mousse in my routine at all, so it's kind of nice to have this in my routine now. But this gel is definitely something that you must have in your routine. I like it because a lot of times, like, I don't like to just use a gel by itself, being that a lot of times that I do use gel, they don't really moisturize my hair as much. So I love the shine on my hair. It does not look ashy or anything like that. I would advise you to actually use it together, just because if you do use the mousse by itself, the mousse has some kind of shine to it, but it doesn't have as much shine as using it together with the gel. The smell on the gel is amazing. The mousse smells good as well, but the gel just really smells really, really good. It smells like coconut a lot, and I love that, especially for the summertime. I feel like these 2 products are perfect for any season because everybody gets dry in different seasons of the year. Like for me, my hair gets drier in the summertime, especially if I go to the pool with the chlorine and all of that. that tends to happen a lot. So having these two in my routine are really perfect for that. It does not have any sulfates or parabens, just in case if you guys were wondering as well with these products. But I would definitely recommend them. I'm absolutely loving them. As you guys can see, I did catch a little bit of volume, a lot more definition than when you seen before I applied the products. So this just so you can see. And I'm gonna give you a 360. So this is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the other side. And one more thing is I did let my hair air dry for less than an hour. So this is after less than an hour. So it did dry pretty quick. I have been noticing that a lot, that my hair has been drying a lot quicker than it used to. I'm not really sure as to why, but it did dry pretty quick. But it doesn't feel crunchy. It doesn't feel how can I say, like, it still feels smooth. Like my hair still feels smooth, but it has that hold that it needs. I don't see any frizz, maybe just up here just a little bit. So I might apply just a little bit more product up here. But other than that, I'm not seeing any frizz or anything. So I would definitely recommend these products to incorporate in your curly hair wash and go styling routine. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would love to thank LuxepiBeauty for sending me these products to review for you guys. Also, make sure that you do check them out on Instagram. I will be putting their Instagram in the description box. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Peralta Knows Best. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notifications on when I'm dropping a new video. I will see you guys soon. Bye.